looks like my headlight's not working because these wires are totally coming apart. So I gotta get in there and look. So we're gonna have to remove this headlight. What I can see, I'm gonna take off this, remove the thingy here, the antenna, and then take out this screw and pull out this little thing, and that should pop everything off. I don't know what's down here, but we'll figure that out. Underneath here we found one more, so pull that off. Make that two. There's one right here too. Missed that one. With that disconnected, it looks like we have enough room to get to that screw right there, and then I can see the other screw right in there. So we're gonna see if we can get all those out. It does bend out of the way enough to get below and get these out. So now you can see my issue of wires that I need to replace. Let's check this out. So I pulled out the headlight, and as you can see, it has some issues with the wiring. So it doesn't look like I can get in there. I might be able to poke one of those through, and I can cover this one. We'll try our best, and we'll see what happens. It looks like the easiest way is to remove these from here, take apart this little clip, and put some heat shrink over all of these. So that's what I'm gonna do. We'll see how that goes. I'm looking for the right tool. I decided if I could just get the positive out, that would be pretty good, but I had to smush it down a little because those weren't fitting out the back of the plug. So now I'm just trying to unwrap it so that I can put it through some heat shrink tubing and then put it back into here. We're gonna go one step further, and we're going to remove the front of this glass, which is probably a bad idea, but to get into the back there and fix the wires, that's the only way to do it, unless I buy a new headlight, which I don't have today, which is probably only $20. So you should probably never do this, but let's do it. I stuck a small screwdriver in and got it started. Let me see if I can get my fingers in there. Hold on. While videotaping. There we go. You see that's coming apart. You just do it slowly. Ooh. So this might not go back together, you never know. It looks like there's two really small Allen keys holding this light together. One on this side and one over here. So I'm gonna go get a small Allen key and pull that apart so we can see what's behind here. I took out that screw and I took out this screw, and now we're gonna peel it up. There we go. And we can see everything we need inside. Okay, we're inside the light. You can see where the plug is back there. We're gonna have to move this guy. Let's see how that's done. It looks pretty easy. This headlight is made by Automotive Lighting. Obviously a defective product. Every single wire in here is totally cracked. Every single one. I don't even know how you make a product like this. This is worse than any wiring mess I've ever seen. I'm gonna have to get a new light. I could just rewire this, but for temporary, we're just gonna fix this, but we're gonna order a light. So I heat shrink the whole thing and put it back together. Everything works, I tested it. When I cleaned it, it wiped off the chrome, so you don't wanna do that. It's working, but we're gonna get a new one. And that's how to put it together.